In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new banner in Joomla. Whether you're using Joomla for personal projects or professional websites, knowing how to create and manage banners can significantly enhance your site's engagement. Let's dive right into the process and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to navigate to the Joomla Administrator panel. Once logged in, head over to the Components menu. From the drop-down options that appear, navigate to Banners and then select Banners again. This is where you'll manage all the banners for your site. Next, look for the New button, typically located at the top left of the interface, and give that a click. This will open up the banner creation form where you can start crafting your banner. Now you'll want to enter a title for your banner. This is an important step because the title helps you identify the banner among potentially many others. Make it descriptive enough that you and your team will easily recognize it later. After titling your banner, it's time to decide on the banner type. Joomla offers two primary options, custom and image. For our example, we'll select custom. This choice allows for flexibility as it enables you to incorporate custom HTML code. Moving on to the custom field, you'll need to paste the HTML code for your banner into the custom code section. This code can include various HTML elements such as images, links, and more, depending on what you want your banner to showcase. Once your custom code is in place, look for the click URL field and enter the URL that you want your banner to link to. This ensures that viewers can be directed to the appropriate site or page when they interact with the banner. In the banner details section, you'll come across a field labeled client. This is where you assign the banner to a specific client if necessary. This can be particularly useful if your banners are tied to different customers or campaigns. Now, let's talk about impressions. Set the number of times you want the banner to be displayed to site visitors in the impressions field. This can help you manage exposure and tweak visibility as needed. Additionally, decide on the purchase type. This outlines how the banner is purchased, whether as a one-time transaction or a recurring agreement. Select the option that fits your situation best. Don't forget to enable tracking for impressions and clicks if you want to monitor engagement with your banner. This valuable data can inform future decisions and strategies. Also remember to set the start/finish publishing dates. Here you determine the duration your banner will be live on the site. Use this to coordinate with campaigns or limited time offers. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, proceed by clicking the Save and Close button to save your configuration. This final step ensures that your banner is saved and ready to go live according to the parameters you've established. And there you have it, you've successfully created a new Joomla banner. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Joomla skills. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on creating banners.